There are 4 ways to say the in Spanish: il, los, la, las, depending on gender and whether it's singular or plural. For example, we have
El doctor, los doctores, la doctora, las doctoras.
You have seen the same el, los, la, and las in U.S. city names. For example, El Paso means the pass, Los Angeles means the angels. In San Diego, La Jolla means the jewel, and Las Vegas means the meadows. Note that all nouns in Spanish have genders. In Spanish, no is also no. The Spanish words for in and is are very similar, just swap the e to an I. Here are some example sentences. Es él es.
El actor es famoso. El actor no es famoso. El doctor en el hospital es importante. Es normal.
Here are the Spanish words for and, or, they are, and other. Note that the word other is a cognate. Just imagine the T turning into the English TH in other. Here are some example sentences.
Juan y Miguel son famosos. Juan e Isabel son famosos. Ana o Sofía es artista. Otros son famosos.
In Spanish, yo means I, and it's a cognate of ego. Me means me, and mi means my. The word soy means am. Here are some example sentences.
Yo me llamo Juan. Mi nombre es Juan. Yo soy Juan.
In Spanish, tú with an accent means you. It's a subject pronoun and a cognate of the Old English thou, as in thou shalt not steal. Just imagine the T turning into TH. Tú without an accent means your, and eres means you are. Here are some example sentences.
Tú eres Juan. Tu nombre es Juan.
In Spanish, te means you as an object pronoun. It's a cognate of the Old English thee, with the T turning into TH. For example, yo te quiero. Literally, I thee want, or I love you in modern English. You might recognize the wedding vows. With this ring, I thee wed has similar structure. In Spanish, él means he. It's a cognate of the English word he. Ella means she, and ello means it, used mostly for neutral things or abstract ideas. When talking about they, add an s. Finally, se means self, and they are cognates. Here are some example sentences.
Él se llama Juan. Su nombre es Juan. Ellos se llaman Miguel y Juan.
In Spanish, nos means us. It's a cognate. Just drop the n, and o becomes you. Nosotros means we, and it's built from nos plus otros, literally us and others. En nuestro means our. Here are some example sentences.
Nos alegra tu visita. Nosotros visitamos. Nuestra nación es moderna.